Ultimate Geography Speed Test. 5 countries, 5 levels of difficulty. Only a genius hits 5 out of 5. Ready? Level easy. It's Egypt, level medium, famous for its breathtaking mountains and the most scenic train rides in the world. It's Switzerland, level hard, home to endless pine forests and the world's most beautiful blue lakes. Where are we? Canada, level expert, the land of fire and ice, covered in volcanoes and black sand beaches. It's Iceland, final boss. This unique island is home to trees that look like they're from another planet. It's Madagascar. How many did you guess? Write your score and follow for more. Peace.